I'm Leah Massey, a graduate student from the New School for Social Research, Department of Economics. New Jersey State OSHA must adopt workplace infectious disease standards to safeguard the economy and equitably protect all workers. Most at risk include essential workers, immune-compromised and older individuals, immigrants, those living in intergenerational households or in lower-income communities. National OSHA workplace standards for COVID-19 are vague, voluntary, and adoption is solely determined by employers. As states are reopening their economies, unacceptable risks and uncertainties about the SARS-CoV-2 virus and course of the disease remain. Immunity for those recovered is unknown. Undetected asymptomatic and presymptomatic individuals are still spreading the virus. The general public is reluctant to consistently practice masking and social distancing to protect others, especially as economies open and the risk is perceived to be lower. Many early opening states have experienced COVID-19 flare-ups, and our economy is at risk for periodic pandemic resurgences and shutdowns. We need state-level preparations for future infectious diseases, and risk control requires New Jersey OSHA adopting workplace infectious disease standards that exceed federal OSHA guidance. Thank you.